Hi everyone, welcome to my gardening and cooking series. In this episode, I will show you how to cook brinjal wrapped in banana leaf. This is a fusion recipe combining the flavors of Asian, European, and Middle Eastern. This recipe is a two-step process. First, we will make the stuffing, stuff the brinjal, and then later wrap them in banana leaf and bake them in oven. In grocery stores, only certain types of brinjal or aubergines are sold. In home garden, you have an advantage or the option of trying out different and rare varieties of vegetables. In this 2020 season, I tried few varieties of brinjals, small baby ones, middle sized, long ones, and also white brinjal. I'm growing brinjals in few of the pots in my balcony and also large container in my backyard. Brinjal is a sun-loving plant and also it is a heavy feeder. If you make them happy with good sunlight in summer season plus good amount of water, they are going to make you happy with your harvest. Here is part of my harvest in this season. Most of the ingredients used in this recipe is harvested from my home garden, starting with brinjal, banana leaf, tomatoes, chilies, paprika, and some herbs. I am using some fresh thyme, oregano, and basil. You can be free to choose any dried herbs or fresh herbs of your choice. After harvesting the leaves, cut the leaves into desired size, wash them with cold water on both sides, and pat dry them with towel. These leaves are fresh and they are not pileable. To cook with banana leaf, it has to be a little bit flexible to fold the ingredients inside. So there are few ways to make the banana leaf pileable. So here I am showing you one way to make it pileable. Switch on the stove on a low heat. Lay the banana leaf on the stove. Turn the banana leaf very often. It is not necessary to cook the leaf completely. Rather, we are trying to make it little flexible. You can also do the same process from the steam coming from a boiling water or on a gas flame. Now the banana leaf is ready. You can set it aside until we use them. Let's take a look at the ingredients for this recipe. Apart from banana leaf and brinjals, these are the main ingredients. We are also using tomatoes, coconut, almonds, coriander powder, garlic flakes, salt, and some herbs, chilies and paprika. Add salt to brinjal and add some water. Let it soak for 15 minutes before we process them. Slit the brinjal from backside and keep the head intact. We are going to make 4 slits so that we can stuff the stuffing inside the brinjal. Continue the same process for all the remaining brinjals and add them to the salt water bag. You can also clean the blossom end of brinjal before making a slit. Some brinjals will have mature seeds inside. After making a slit, you can try to remove the seeds. This one, what I am currently making a slit, it's a tender and it doesn't have seed, and these brinjals would be perfect for this recipe. Now we have prepared brinjal and banana leaf. Let's start preparing the stuffing. Heat the pan on a medium heat. Add a couple of tablespoons of oil and then add a cup of chopped tomatoes. Saute the tomatoes for 5 minutes and then add paprika and green chili and mix them together. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh coconut. Ten to 15 almonds. 1 tablespoon of minced dried garlic, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and salt for taste. Mix everything together and cover the pan and cook for another 5 minutes in a medium to low flame. Once it is done, allow the mixture to cool down and grind them in a mixer and make a paste. Now all our ingredients are ready. Now it's ready to wrap the dish in banana leaf. Take the pre-prepared banana leaf, add few drops of oil. Take the brinjal and add the stuffing inside with the help of butter knife. Sprinkle some salt to brinjal directly before adding the stuffing to have a right balance of salt. Add the stuffing to the other side of the brinjal as well. Add some more of stuffing on top of brinjal. Add some herbs and now it's time to wrap the banana leaf. Bring the sides of banana leaf to the middle and fold them on all sides. The wrapping doesn't have to be very perfect as we are going to bake them. Just wrap them roughly and keep them intact with the help of toothpick. Now take a baking tray and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Arrange all the banana leaf wrap on the baking tray. Add the remaining herbs. Now it's ready for baking. In a preheated oven for 1 hour you have to bake them under 180 degrees. You can also add a tray of water to add additional steam while cooking. After an hour you can remove the baking tray and the brinjals are ready to be delished. Carefully remove it from the tray and add them to the serving plate. Remove the toothpick and unwrap the banana leaf to reveal the magic inside. The brinjals were cooked perfectly. The stuffing that we added was delicious with a melody of different flavors. If you wanted to make a vegetarian dish for a special day, you can consider this recipe. It was absolutely delicious. For one of the brinjals, I added also rice paper to give more Asian touch to the dish. Infusing banana leaf flavor in brinjal is a specialty of the dish, and to top it up, it is slow cooked, delicious and melt in mouth. If you do not have banana leaf or if you do not have an oven, you can also make the stuffed brinjal in a pan. Here is a delicious fusion recipe of brinjal wrapped in banana leaf in Asian, Middle Eastern and European flavors. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment and also click the bell icon for notification.